Hi everybody, thank you for watching this video. If you're watching this video, it means you want to help us start cataloging for our library at Raleigh Oak Charter School. So I'm going to show you how we're going to do this, and we're going to start with a picture book. So the first thing that you need in order to catalog is to have a librarian account through our Librarica app. So if you don't have one, just send Ms. Cortez or myself an email and we'll issue you an account. So you can do this from your phone, or if you have a scanner, you can do it from a computer. So this is the main Librarica page, and you can see it says Raleigh Oak Charter School Library. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a smart ad. So I click on Smart Ad and it asks for the ISBN. So I'm going to press the little picture and it pulls up a scanner. So I'm going to scan the ISBN code of my book. Make sure that it read it. And then I'm going to look at which category the book is. And it was already put in that picture and board books category. So I'm going to save. And for most books, it's already going to pull up a picture, the title, and the author. And then I'm going to scroll to the bottom and make sure that the number back here corresponds to the sticker number that I want to put on the book. So since we're going to have multiple librarians uploading, we might need to change this number. That number is the number on the barcode sheet. So you'll each take a barcode sheet and then make sure that it has the right number. So once that's done and the book is added, then I go back and just save. That's it. So now, if I go down here and look at my catalog, that book should appear on my catalog. Okay? So, the book now exists on our library. Now we have to make sure we label it correctly. So I make sure that I have the right ASN number, which is 1991. So that's the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the barcode and we're going to put it in the top right corner of the book. And then we are going to stamp our books. We're restamping all of our books, and this one's going to be hard because it's very dark. So it's a good example. I don't know where I'm going to stamp it, but it doesn't matter. We just want to make sure it's stamped so that we can still identify it as belonging to our library. And yes, black on black, we won't see much. That's okay. Okay, then now I'm gonna put the shelving information on the book. So for that, I'm gonna need three things. I need a dot picture, a dot label. I need a label and the label cover. So I've made this chart that I will share with everybody of the different color codes that we're giving the books. So since this is a picture book, it needs to have a blue dot. So I'm gonna grab my dot and we're putting them in the bottom of the book. And then we can do our labels. And for now, I've started doing them by hand. We might want to automate this. So for fiction books, the call is always FIC. And then I'm going to use the three first letters of the author's last name. So L-O-N. So I take my label and I will affix it to the book. Okay. And now the last thing we need to do is protect those two things. So we have these label protectors right here that we're going to grab, and I I make sure that it's gonna cover the dot and the label. And then I just place it on our book, and we have done our book. Yay! Now it's ready to be checked out. So if you want to come to the library and start cataloging, you will need to take with you 5 things. You need labels, you need label protectors, you need a barcode sheet, and you need some dots. We recommend that you grab books from the same categories so that it's easier to label. And then when you come back to the library, after you've taken these home, then you can stop by the front office and stamp your books and place them back in the library. Let us know if you have any questions.